A dedicated Butler's Pantry gives large families a separate zone for prep, storage, and staging so entertaining runs smoothly. Design the space with a full sink and dishwasher to handle high volumes of prep and cleanup. Position the sink on a durable countertop with a high arc faucet and install a 2-stage filtration system to support beverage and ice needs. Include a beverage refrigerator and ice maker sized for party loads, and place them near an open shelf or counter space so servers can access drinks quickly without crossing the main kitchen work triangle. Add open shelving for serveware and labeled baskets for linens so hosts can see and grab items at a glance. Use deep adjustable shelves for platters and vertical dividers for cutting boards and baking sheets. Plan a pass-through window or counter to the dining room that is at serving height and wide enough for platters, and include a sliding or pocket door to close off the pantry when staging is complete. Incorporate a built-in warming drawer above a lower cabinet and adjacent plate storage that is ventilated so plates remain warm and dry prior to service. Think about electrical placement so small appliances like mixers and immersion blenders have dedicated outlets, and run task lighting under shelves to prevent shadows during late-night prep. Common mistakes include undersizing the dishwasher and sink for event loads, which forces hand washing and slows turnover. Choose a commercial style or larger capacity residential unit and fit a deep single basin sink to speed rinsing. People often forget beverage logistics and place the fridge too far from serving areas, creating traffic bottlenecks. Locate cold storage and the ice maker near the pass-through, and create a dedicated drink station with easy trash access. Another issue is cluttered closed storage that buries serveware, so avoid full-height cabinets without organization. Use open shelving, labeled bins, and shelf dividers so items are visible and reachable. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners planning large family kitchen and Butler's Pantry projects with local contractors and resources to make staging and entertaining easier. We also host a discussion community so we can share ideas, ask questions, and find practical tips while contractors can discover work opportunities.